You've probably heard people say it's too late to start a YouTube channel, that all the good niches are taken, and only those with expensive gear or big budgets can make it. But let me tell you something powerful. Right now, at this very moment, a new YouTube niche is exploding. Small creators with zero experience and no fancy equipment are racking up millions of views using just free tools and smart automation. This niche is not about showing your face, spending hours filming, or editing complicated videos. It's simple, scalable, and built perfectly for YouTube's algorithm in 2026. If you've been waiting for your moment to break into YouTube automation, this is it. So, today I'll show you the viral niche that's dominating right now, how people are growing faceless channels using completely free AI tools, and how you can copy the blueprint step by step, even if you've never uploaded a video before. The rise of the explainer niche. The YouTube landscape has changed dramatically. In 2026, short-form and long-form storytelling formats are merging, and the algorithm is rewarding retention and curiosity more than anything else. That's where the explainer niche comes in. These are channels that break down fascinating stories, trends, and mysteries in an engaging way. But here's the catch. They're faceless and automated. Think of channels explaining why billionaires buy islands, the science behind viral trends, or how global events secretly affect the economy. They combine entertainment with education, and viewers can't stop watching. Here's why this niche is exploding. You don't need to appear on camera. AI tools handle 90% of the work. The topics are endless: money, luxury, psychology, crime, mystery, and tech. CPMs, ad rates, are some of the highest on YouTube right now. If you structure it right, this niche can become a full-blown business in weeks. Finding viral topics using 100% free tools. You don't need to pay for keyword tools or research software to find trending ideas. The secret lies in understanding what people are already searching for, but not getting enough of. Here's how you do it. Go to YouTube's search bar and type a broad term like rich habits, AI tools, or psychology facts. Then stop before you press enter. You'll see YouTube's autocomplete suggestions. These are the exact topics people are actively searching for right now. Next, check out the top performing videos in that topic. Sort by most viewed in the last month, and you'll instantly see what's going viral. The magic lies in combining two things: trending curiosity like why this billionaire is buying farmland, evergreen demand like habits that make you rich. Then you repackage it in your own words using automation tools. You're not copying, you're analyzing what works and creating your version with AI help. The automating the script writing, zero-cost method. Writing a full 8-minute script might sound hard, but here's the trick. You can do it with free AI tools that write human-sounding, the natural content in seconds. Use any free AI writing assistant available online. Many allow free daily uses. Start your prompt like this: write a YouTube script about why billionaires are investing in farmland. Make it emotional, story-driven, and under 1,200 words. You'll get a complete script that's structured and ready to use. From there, tweak it a bit. Make the intro more punchy, add cliffhangers, and simplify sentences for better flow. Your goal is to make it sound conversational, like you're talking directly to the viewer. This step alone will separate you from 90% of faceless channels that just dump robotic AI content. Voiceovers without a mech, free and natural sound. Now comes the voice. You don't need an expensive studio mic or voice actor. Free AI voice generators can now produce ultra-realistic human voices that sound almost indistinguishable from real narrators. You can use free versions online that allow you to paste your script and choose from multiple tones: warm, confident, mysterious, or informative. Pro tip: choose a slower, engaging pace so viewers stay hooked. Once your script is voiced, download the file. Congratulations, you now have a professional, grade narration without spending a single dollar. The free footage, images, and backgrounds all copyright-free. For visuals, YouTube rewards quality and variety. But again, you don't have to pay a dime. There are free stock video websites where you can get clips for anything: luxury cars, skyscrapers, people walking, or nature shots. Combine these with simple animations or text overlays made in Canva or CapCut. Both have free versions that are more than enough. You can drag your voiceover in, drop in your clips, add background music, and your video will look cinematic, even though it's made entirely from free tools. This simple editing method is how many faceless channels hit monetization within weeks. The automation workflow, your daily blueprint. Let's break it down into a daily routine. You can actually follow Step 1. Spend 15 minutes finding a viral topic using YouTube search. Step 2, write your script using a free AI writing assistant. Step 3, generate your voiceover using an AI voice generator. Step 4, collect 8-10 short clips or visuals related to your topic. Step 5, edit in Canva or CapCut. Use smooth transitions. Keep visuals fast-paced. Step 6, upload with a catchy thumbnail and title. That's it. You can make 1 video per day or 3 to 4 per week, completely automated. In 30 days, you'll have a full channel filled with binge-worthy content that YouTube's algorithm loves. The viral formula that drives views even with automation. There's one thing you can't skip: storytelling. Every viral video follows a simple 3-act structure. The hook grab attention in the first 10 seconds. Example: this billionaire doesn't want you to know why he's buying all the farmland. The conflict build tension and curiosity. Show why it matters. The payoff reveal the insight, twist, or lesson that satisfies the viewer. This storytelling approach keeps people watching till the end, and the longer they stay, the more YouTube pushes your video to others. How small channels are winning right now. Here's what's exciting: smaller channels are actually beating big creators because they're faster and more adaptable. The big YouTubers take weeks to plan and shoot videos. Faceless creators, they can create, test, and upload within hours. In the viral game, speed beats perfection. Some faceless channels have grown from 0 to 100K subscribers in under 3 months just by uploading consistently and analyzing retention. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to show up every day, test new titles, and refine your storytelling. Monetization. Turning free tools into real income. Once your channel hits YouTube's monetization threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the income begins. But here's the secret: ad revenue is just the beginning. Faceless explainer channels can also make money through affiliate links and descriptions, sponsored narration scripts once they grow, digital product sales like templates, ebooks, or courses. Because these videos target high-income audiences like business, luxury, or psychology fans, they attract premium advertisers. That's why CPM rates are sometimes 3x higher than entertainment niches. Scaling up without doing the work yourself. Once you start earning, you can reinvest your income into scaling. Hire affordable freelancers or AI tool subscriptions to make your workflow smoother. You can have a scriptwriter, voiceover artist, and editor, all working together, while you focus on research and growth. That's how faceless channels turn into real YouTube automation businesses earning thousands per month, without ever showing their face or recording anything themselves. The future of YouTube automation. We're entering a new era of YouTube where automation and creativity meet. AI is not replacing creators, it's empowering them. In 2026, YouTube's algorithm will continue prioritizing watch time, emotion, and viewer satisfaction. So, if you can build engaging stories using free AI tools, you'll always stay ahead of the curve. Remember, most people give up because they focus on perfection, not consistency. The secret is to start with what you have and get better with every video. So here's the truth: you don't need to spend money to win on YouTube. You don't need a camera, a studio, or a massive budget. You just need the right system and the will to execute it daily. The viral niche is here, and the opportunity is wide open. If you use these free tools and stay consistent, you'll look back a few months from now and realize you've built something powerful. A faceless channel that earns while you sleep. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Passive Income Pro, and share this with someone who's ready to start their YouTube journey the smart way. Because in 2026, automation isn't the future, it's the present. And the ones who move now, they're the ones who win big.